Black Friday 2023 is here, and these are the best deals on products that were winners of my comparison videos in order of how amazing of a deal they are. Starting with vacuums, the DreamTech L10S Ultra is the highest performing flagship vacuum and mop combination on the market, and it's currently on sale for just $629. The L10S Ultra is what I use in my house, and it outperforms other flagship vacuums that cost twice as much. If you're looking to spend a little less and you don't need mopping, the DreamTech D10 Plus gives great vacuuming performance with an auto-empty bin, and it's on sale for $279. I recently reviewed permanent outdoor LED lighting, and the kits from Eufy and Govee came out on top, and both the Eufy RGBW kit and the Govee RGB kits are on sale for $100 off for Black Friday, making them just $199 each. If you're in the market for a projector, there has never been a better time to buy because they're basically all on sale. If you're looking for a bright standard throw laser projector, you've got four great options. $1,151 for the Dangbei Mars Pro, $1,475 for the 4Movie X5, $1,497 for the Hisense C1, or $1,609 for the JMGO N1 Ultra. The Dangbei Mars Pro and the 4Movie X5 are best for permanently mounting in a living room, with the Dangbei being the more affordable pick, but the 4Movie X5 having slightly better brightness and contrast. For a light-controlled theater room, the Hisense C1's triple laser light source produces an absolutely amazing image with vibrant colors and dramatic contrast, and is also Dolby Vision compatible. And last, on paper, the JMGO N1 Ultra outperforms all three of those other projectors in terms of brightness and contrast, but on some screens, the Malk triple laser light engine on the N1 can produce distracting laser speckle. In spite of that, though, the JMGO's impressive brightness and ease of setup make it the best choice for moving from room to room, projecting onto walls and ceilings, where it can produce an outstanding viewing experience with less than a minute of setup time. Dashcams are also on sale for Black Friday, and my top overall pick is the 4K Sony StarViz 2 Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel, which is $100 off for Black Friday, down to just $279. The Viofo lineup also uses the same Sony StarViz 2 sensor if you just want a single channel, and the Viofo A139 Pro 1 channel is on sale for $209, and the lower resolution 1440p Viofo A119 Mini 2 is the cheapest way to get a Sony StarViz 2 image sensor, on sale for just $98, plus 50% off any Viofo branded micro SD cards. Aqara's entire lineup is on big sale for Black Friday, including the top pick from this year's Smart Lock video, the U100, which is on sale for $132. The Aqara contact sensors, which were the top performing in my test by a significant margin, are on sale for $40 for a 3-pack, and they can be paired with Home Assistant using a Zigbee bridge, or you can use the Matter-compatible Aqara M2 hub, on sale for $41, to connect both your U100 Smart Lock and your contact sensors to whatever smart home platform you want, including HomeKit, Amazon Echo, or Google Home. The winner of my robotic pool cleaner video, the Seato Seal SE, is $86 off for a final price of $294, or the upgraded version, the Seato Shark, that includes a fine dust particle filter and extra wheels for tough to climb walls, is $413 for Black Friday, which is its lowest price ever. Links to everything in this video are down in the description, and if I missed a great deal that you found, let me know down in the comments and I will add it to the list. As always, I do appreciate when you use those links, since as an Amazon affiliate, I do earn a small commission on the sale at no cost to you. If you found a deal in this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and as always, thanks for watching the hookup.